let's see. The funniest thing mom has ever done. So it's actually what mom didn't do. Okay. I was obviously not great at academics. We all know that. And on one of my report days, I think mom was so fed up of hearing the teachers talk, what they used to talk about me, that you remember Arun was here?
Yes.
From Pune, our cousin, and he was much older than us. So she said, I'm not coming for this report card. You go with Arun. And remember, Arun posed as our uncle. And he came out and he flirted and sweet talked all the teachers.
Which he's very good at.
And which he's very good at. And nobody had anything back to say to me that
all the teachers must have been like, yes.
They were like swooning and flirting back with him. So I think that was actually the best thing mom did for me.
Oh my God.
Okay. Things mom often says.
Oh, there are a lot of Punjabi sayings over here hidden. Aap na mariye, swarg na jaiye. Remember, that's one of them.
And also, like, I think mom, she always wants us to learn. So she always talks about, oh, what was your lesson from this? What did you learn from this? And that's always like what you keep saying, I think.
Come on, I think you can come up with a
Yeah, even I think you can come up with that.
Khasmuna khane.
You can't say that on camera. You can't use I don't say that.
No, the best is when mom will have a glass of wine and then she'll only talk in Punjabi.
Especially the Sagar Villa stories. Oh God. The face mom makes when she's angry, her angry face. When mom's angry, she goes in a silent zone.
Oh.
So she becomes like, she becomes like those old Hindi movie actors, you know, where like she will just cut you off.
Yeah.
And that is worse than like you'd rather someone shout at you, yell at you, and just, you know, like fix it there and then. But
Yeah, you know, and that look, it's just that one look, and you know you messed up. Oh my God. Something mom always forgets. Mom forgets that there's life beyond work. Oh my God. It's like she'll get up in the morning and the sneakers will come on. And she'll remove them when she has to sleep.
She forgets there's something called small talk.
Small talk.
the best was the other day she made that call to you, right?
Polite.
No,
Yeah.
she made that call to you, right? She made it that call the other day, right?
Yeah, after my birthday dinner, after the birthday brunch.
How are you? You're just like, mom, all well?
Yeah. No. So I get this call when we were in Goa, okay, with the kids. And mom never just calls for small talk, right? So she calls. I said, mom, I'm expecting that there's some work. So she says, I just called because your father is telling me I don't call on you kids enough to check on you all. So are you okay? Then I'll put the phone down. Mom, we are very sorry for this.
Mom's age. Mom's age is 16.
Things mom does that make you laugh. Oh my God. She's the cutest when there are animals around. So it's like the animals will get all over her and then she laughs. And then you can't stop her from laughing. It's like when mom goes into a laughing fit, then then the whole room is laughing, only looking at her laugh. It's like...
And it's also the whiny thing.
Yeah.
That old Hindi music starts.
her ghazals and her,
like
yeah.
that. She's in her zone and it's lovely.
And when she's with her plants, I think, the smallest of things kind of tickle her.
And then she gets the giggles. And then she'll keep going.
Who is naughtier? Ganga, of course. Ganga, the youngest. Yeah, she's the naughtiest. Who is a mini you? Shabnam?
Yes. Actually, me and Ganga both look like dad, and you look a lot
Yeah.
like
No, it's not only the looks, it's also how well we read that. It's the maturity.
Who is messier? Shiv. Who is a better eater? Shiv.
You should see the Punjabi breakfast every day in the morning. When I come home, I'm like, this is lunch or this is brunch or this is breakfast. It's
Who is a better host? I think that's their father, who is always late, Shabnam.
Oh, Shah.
Ma, give me a 5 for that one. High five.
Be kind-hearted and be nice to everyone. Each of them have their own achievements in their fields, and I think everyone should work hard. This is a message to them also. Very hard, and see to it that with your work, what I always tell them is, some amount of families are fed. You should always keep that in mind, that what you owe to the society also.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And you're the nucleus of the family. None of us can do or be whatever we are today without you, and love you the most.
So, Mom, you've been the biggest force in my life, I think in all our lives. And thank you for being Mother Nature to all of us. I think you're everything.
So happy Mother's Day to my dearest mom. I just want to say thank you for being the wind underneath our wings, because without you none of this would have been possible. We all love you so much.